In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner, more polished, or a little less cluttered, turning off grid lines is a quick and simple change. This is especially useful if you're preparing a sheet for presentation, sharing it with others, or creating a more custom layout where the default cell borders are distracting. The good news is that Google Sheets makes this very easy to do. To get started, go to your Google Sheet and open the spreadsheet where you want to remove the grid lines. Once you're inside the sheet, make sure you're on the tab or section where you want to adjust the view. Grid lines are part of the display settings, so this change affects how the sheet appears while you're viewing it. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on View. This menu contains several options related to how your spreadsheet is displayed, including visibility settings for different elements on the page. If you're not used to navigating Google Sheets menus, don't worry. This is one of the standard top-level menu options, and it's easy to find. After clicking View, move your cursor down to Show. This will open another sub-menu with display-related options. The Show menu is where Google Sheets lets you control whether certain visual elements are visible or hidden while you work. From there, click on Grid Lines. You should notice that Grid Lines currently has a check mark next to it, which means the setting is turned on. When you click it, that check mark will disappear and the grid lines will be removed from the sheet view. Your cells will still be there and all of your data will remain exactly the same. The only difference is that the faint lines separating each cell will no longer be visible. This is important to remember. Removing grid lines does not delete formatting, data, or actual borders you've added manually. It only changes the default background grid display in Google Sheets. So if you've applied your own borders to tables or sections, those will still show. If you ever want the grid lines back, you can follow the exact same path again. Go to View, then Show, then click Grid Lines to turn the check mark back on. And that's it. That's how you remove grid lines in Google Sheets quickly and easily. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how clean and professional your spreadsheet looks.